The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Rockwall County in north-central Texas, Hunt County in north-central Texas, Kaufman County in north-central Texas, Northwestern Van Zandt County in north-central Texas, Hopkins County in north-central Texas, Reenactment County in north-central Texas, Delta County in north-central Texas, Southeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:56 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Caddo Mills to 6 miles southeast of Mobile City to near Shagoville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mesquite, Rockwall, Lancaster, Greenville, Belch Springs, Terrell, Sulphur Springs, Shagoville, Forney, Commerce, Kaufman, Canton, Wills Point, Roy City, Fett, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Crandall, Ferris and Cooper. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 481 and 525. Interstate 30 between mile markers 73 and 78, and between mile markers 80 and 132. Interstate 45 between mile markers 267 and 272. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.